What's up, YouTube? For Christmas, we got bike parts.
Woohoo!
I have my handy dandy assistant here. Say hello.
Hello.
And so we're going to be putting some of these on today. Got heel toe shifters, a new brake pedal with a cool little skull on it. You like a little skull?
I would prefer a puppy.
She would prefer a puppy, but they don't sell puppy bike parts. And we have this bar thing that I forgot what it's called. Also, let's do it. We are going to start with the heel toe.
Does that basically mean where you put your foot?
Put your foot here. This is to shift up and down. So we're going to start with the heel toe shifters. Should be pretty easy. 2 Allen bolts, slide them out, slide the new ones in, Allen bolts back out. I believe this is going to be the proper Allen wrench.
Proper one. You always need the proper one.
Gotta have the proper one.
Or else it's not going to work.
Or else it's not going to work. But I am not convinced by this Allen wrench, so I'm going to find my other set of Allen wrenches.
Isn't it kind of the same thing?
No. Because these are different measurements than the other one.
Oh.
So, let's find the other set. All right, other set of Allen wrenches secured.
Secured. Secured.
Secured.
It's secured.
See, this Allen wrench fits proper.
It's the perfect.
It is perfect.
I'm the one that found it.
No, you're not.
I'm the one that just found it up here.
No, you're not.
Wait.
She likes to tell tall tales.
Excuse me?
You heard. That comes out by hand. Oh, where's my bolt? There it is. And we should be able to just slide these out.
Make sure you like this video.
Yes, please like and subscribe the video. There we go. That's out. We put the bolt back in so we can save this. Assistant?
It's heavy.
It is heavy.
It's like a heavy thing I ever touched.
You've never touched anything heavier?
Of course I have. Why is there a bell there?
That's my rider bell.
Did you just attach that?
Yeah.
What does it basically do?
It keeps evil gremlins away.
Dun dun dun.
Dun dun dun.
What a gremlin.
Alright, so those two are off. We're going to grab the new ones. So you see these have a bend to them. So this one goes back. And the other one goes to the front. The front one goes on first. Wait, does it?
Yeah.
Which one did I just took off the back? Okay, yeah. The back one goes on first. This one does require a different Allen wrench. So.
Get like a medium.
That one's too big.
Now, we don't need something too small or too big. We need it just right.
This one is just. Wait, is it? No, this one's not just right. Is this one metric?
Sprinkling outside.
It happens.
It's a good thing we're not out there.
Yeah, it has been very rainy lately. Okay, this one's gonna fit beautifully.
I have been having nightmares.
Child, don't talk about your nightmares on here.
What do I do with these? Destroy them?
No, leave them there. Alright, we need our handy dandy Loctite.
Loctite, which is basically
Glue.
like very strong glue.
Yes. The Loctite we use, see the motorcycle vibrates quite a bit. So we use the Loctite to make sure the bolts don't vibrate out of place. Alright, so first things first. We're going to secure the pedal to the bracket. Is that what these things are called?
I think they're called brackets, yeah.
Okay, so first.
So I'm going to get my phone. So we're going to lurk it up.
Nope, that's okay.
Lurk it up.
Little Loctite. Just a drop.
Just a tiny drop. Why is it blue?
So that you can see it.
Did you put food color?
No, it comes like that.
Kids, do not try this at home by yourself. If you're doing this and you have your own motorcycle, do it with parent supervision.
Oh, by the way, Eliza for Christmas just got her first motorcycle. Let's picture it right there.
It's a dirt bike.
It is a dirt bike.
Me and my sister had the same one. And we will give you a picture of it, right?
I already did that, baby.
Oh. Well, me and my sister have like the same motorcycle. Well, dirt bike. Just that hers is pink and mine is green. We might give you a picture of hers, but whatever you see there, just picture it as me on there with a green motorcycle.
Oh, I'm gonna get a picture of you.
Oh.
Of yours.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get mom. But yeah, kids, if you get a motorcycle for Christmas or your birthday, have its parents' supervision until you get older to ride it by yourself.
And always wear a helmet.
Always, unless you want to fall and die.
That is tight. All right, let's do the other one. I am running out of Loctite.
It really looks like you're just trying to be careful and you have a lot. And you're just
Why is this backwards? It should be like this.
probably because you got it in the wrong ones.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, no, that's gonna be okay.
Turn on the notifications if you want to see any other videos that we post.
She's good at this YouTube thing.
Yeah, I watch a lot of YouTube.
Do you now?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go here, or one more. There, that's gonna be perfect. There it is.
Never put it on too tight unless you want it to fly off.
What?
You always have to put it in tight and right. Rhyme.
Tight and right. I like that.
It's a rhyme. It's a rhyme.
It is a rhyme.
It's a rhyme and something that you should be protected by.
What? All right, she's a bit of a weirdo, everybody. I apologize.
Excuse me? You're a weirdo too.
Oh, I know I'm a weirdo.
Only, yeah. Looks like wait, is that like how you get the gas?
That's how you shift gears. All right, heel toe shifter complete.
Complete. You're welcome, peeps.
Let's move on to
The what?
this bar here is gonna change.
You want me to destroy this?
No,
What? Do we have a use for it?
maybe, I don't know. Maybe these will break one day and I need to put another one on there. There we go.
Instructions are useful. Don't always skip. Because you might never know.
Okay.
You need a hammer?
Nope, do not need a hammer.
Oh, okay.
What I'm gonna need are my wrenches, and I don't have them as of this second. So, back to y'all. Alright, we got our handy dandy wrenches. Let's figure out what this is.
And all you need is your
perfect
handy
13.
dandy assistant.
Alright, assistant, your job is to hold that in place.
Try not to move it.
Yep. Okay, that's it. Should be able to just... Okay, here, try not to move it.
Okay. Take
Now that thing is rusted on there. There we go.
Has this been used?
See, that had Loctite on it. Or rust. I don't know what that is.
Well, the reason is because they use that type of glue, just different kind. It's really hard.
Okay, that one's done.
Do that one now.
Now we gotta take this one off. There we go. Finally, I'll get my hand. What are you doing?
I have no idea.
All right, there. That's that. Look at that.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
So rusty.
Yeah, very ugly and rusty.
Destroy!
All right, so the new one.
Can I destroy this now?
Why would you?
You just like destroying.
Sure. No, do not destroy it.
And you said I could. No one ever says that I can. It says I can't.
Okay, so now screw goes through here. Actually, let's do the other side first. The other side looks more complex. So the other side is washer, cover, bolt. Easy.
Do you need water?
Nope. Do you want to get water?
What?
Do you want water?
No. Just that my sickness has went away from my stomach, and now I'm hungry.
Now you're hungry?
A little. I'm fine.
I offered this girl breakfast about 5 times this morning.
We went to Best Buy.
And we did go to Best Buy.
And we were watching Harry Potter, and you know what people say? If you watch electronics while you're driving in a car, you get like a little
nauseous.
No, like your stomach starts to hurt, and it's true.
That's called nauseous.
What?
That's called nauseous.
Okay, that's what I meant because I don't know what that means.
Okay, a little Loctite. This Loctite we're actually going to put in there.
Sorry for all the messages that's coming out from him. Remember, all you people out there, you're beautiful the way you are.
No, you're not.
What?
That's true. I mean, not everybody's beautiful the way they are.
Not everyone is perfect, okay, people?
There you go. Nobody's perfect.
Nobody in the world is perfect. Even if you guys are watching us and you are really rich, that doesn't mean you're perfect. Rich and money can't buy happiness.
You ever seen a rich, sad person? You have? I haven't.
I've seen it.
Not in a movie.
Okay.
There you go.
Never mind.
That's more like it.
I saw it in a movie. This looks like it's supposed to come out red, but it actually comes out blue.
Yeah. There's another one that's red.
But you got the blue one?
Yep. Okay, that's it for that. And now this one is even easier. Loctite.
Loctite, pack it right, even if you're right. I have no idea what I'm saying. Here, let me hold this still. Supervision. Adult supervision.
Your job is to hold that in place.
Again.
Again.
It looks so new.
Oops.
Is that a gas tank?
No. What? Does that look like a gas tank to you? This is a gas tank.
Oh. What is that then?
That's my horn.
That's your horn?
Yep.
Make sure to get everything correct or it won't come out good.
Won't come out well.
Won't come out well. Sorry, you guys. I talk Spanish more better than English.
Weirdo.
If you get something for motorcycle parts for Christmas, that means in the future you're going to be a biker. That's why. Santa Claus knows everything.
He does.
No offense to the kids.
What? That got anything to do with it?
Yeah.
All right. I think we are good here.
If you're asking where I am, I'm up here.
How'd you end up there?
I have no idea.
I think you just sat there.
I know, I just sat here. At the very top. Because I'm not sitting down there because you guys might
what?
Might blow everything up. And I want to have a seat.
All right. We're going to go test drive this in a minute. Make sure it's all good. We're done with that.
Ride?
What?
We're going to test ride?
Yeah.
I'm going to go get my shoes.
Not yet. Not done.
Just in case, so I don't have to go back in.
Not done.
I know.
You should have shoes on anyway. You're in the garage. Why don't you?
I don't know. I'm going to be back.
The perks of parenthood.
I'll be back. I got them Adidas.
You got them Adidas?
Yes. Them Adidas fashion. And now you look slick.
I think that looks way better now.
What?
I think this looks way better.
You think the motorcycle looks better?
Yeah. You don't?
The motorcycle and you both look slick.
That's right.
My Adidas look beautiful.
Put them up here. Let's see them. Bam!
Edit it and put some sparkle.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the sparkles on. All right.
Like boom, baby.
All right. I need you to move, child.
I am moving, sir. Wish him luck, guys. It's fine. He does this like every day. Cover your ears, people.
Cover your ears.
Because the motorcycle goes. No!
Next, we have our awesome brake pedal, which came with no instructions. So I gotta figure this out. piece did not work. So we're gonna put this one back on. That's disappointing.
Because the other one looks so much better.
It really does.
Rest in peace, Black Peace.
So,
Rest in peace.
alright, this thing's finally back in place. So that brake pedal was a failure. Failures happen. It's weird because part came from Revzilla. And they said it would work. It matched the bike. Now let's put all this toolage away and test ride our shifter pegs, our new shifter pegs. Alright, let's do this. Check these things out. New heel toe shifter and a new whatever bar thing, whatever that's called.
Just call it bar.
A bar?
Yes, the bar.
The bar.
Dun dun dun. The bar.
Very cool stuff. Alright, Eliza's gonna hold the camera. I'm gonna
We are definitely good. That was nice.
They're a little bit higher than I'm used to, but
Papa.
yes.
Just gotta say, I think it ran out of battery.
What, the
Camera.
it did not. It's perfectly recording you right now. Why do you think that?
I have no idea. Because it was black when I was recording it.
That's okay. It does that.
Oh.
It was recording the whole time.
Never
You
mind.
weirdo.
Oh.
Alright. That's it.